Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a rich and flavorful Besan Barfi, a classic Indian sweet that melts in your mouth. Simple ingredients, traditional taste, and a touch of homemade love. Take 1 cup of gram flour and sieve well to remove any lumps. Besan or gram flour has been used in Indian sweets for centuries. Add half cup ghee to a pan and pour in the gram flour. Roast in low heat, stirring continuously. The texture of perfect barfi comes from slow roasting. Roast for about 7 to 8 minutes until it turns golden and aromatic. Now add half cup desiccated coconut and roast for 2 minutes more. Coconut adds a mild nutty flavor that balances the sweetness. Now in another pan, add half cup sugar and 1/4 cup water. Mix well and cook until you get a one-string consistency. Check the syrup's one-string consistency carefully. It decides the barfi's texture. Keep it aside. In a bowl, add half cup milk powder. Add half cup milk. Mix well until smooth. Now add the sugar syrup and milk mixture to the roasted besan. Mix well and cook until the mixture leaves the sides of the pan. Keep stirring continuously to get the smooth texture. Grease a 7-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the mixture. Spread it evenly. Let it cool down for 1 hour. Add silver leaf on top. Gram flour is rich in protein and fiber. Coconut provides healthy fats and minerals. And cut into desired pieces. Let it rest completely before cutting for clean, neat squares. Your delicious besan barfi is ready to enjoy. Soft, rich, and full of traditional flavor. This sweet is energy rich, perfect for festive days. Use jaggery instead of sugar for a healthier twist. If you enjoyed this recipe, follow to Innovin Foods and discover more classic homemade delights. What's your favorite traditional sweet, barfi or laddu? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family.